Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you a fire cinematic opener. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Drag the Basic 6 title to the timeline. Change the font to Impact. Also the font size to 104. Write your text and then go to Advanced. Change the type to Image Fill. Click on the icon and select your picture for the text. Then go to Transitions and add the Warp Zoom 6. After that, export it. Add the exported file to the timeline. Add the footage below and the footage of ashes above. Adjust it. Left click on the exported file and the ashes footage. Go to Compositing and change the blending mode to Screen. After that, right click on the footage. Go to Video, Crop and Zoom and choose Pan and Zoom. Select the inner part. Make sure your text is in the middle and click on this icon. Then go to Audio and choose some background sound. I chose this fire with wind audio. Adjust it. After that, I added this scary boom to spice up the popping of the text a little bit. Make sure to adjust it right. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.